What's up everyone, and welcome to DKNG. My name is Jay and it's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we take a look at anything related to finance with a strong focus on investing. So if that sounds like something you want to be a part of, then please consider subscribing and liking this video to help me on my quest to befriend the big, bad YouTube algorithm. What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I spent the last few days doing tons of research to find the next under-the-radar CloudMD type stock that can exponentially grow my money. In this episode, I will share one of these stocks that I found that I believe is grossly undervalued and mispriced on the market right now. What's this explosive stock, you may be asking? Well, before I reveal that to you, anyone who isn't currently part of the Smart Money Squad on our Discord server, you should go join that right now. Lots of good dialogue and content in there. The link is in the description below. We'll also be posting on Instagram regularly now, so hit us up at DKNG with a follow on IG. So make that thumbs up turn blue and subscribe if you're new. It really does help the channel grow. And now without further ado, let's get into the video. So the company I'm going to discuss with you today is called FansUnite Entertainment. Now FansUnite is a Canada-based sports and entertainment company. Fans' market cap right now is $20 million and their price to sales ratio is at 43x, which is pretty high, yes. But with lots of exciting stuff coming up in the pipeline and recent acquisitions, which we will discuss in just a minute, it has immense growth potential. What I really love about their financials is their current ratio right now. It's at 6.75. Remember, current ratio is current assets over current liabilities, meaning that Fans is at no risk of going under anytime soon and they can execute on their plan. The stock has been on a steady decline since the summer, and while this could be a sign of trouble ahead, I see it as a gigantic opportunity for investors. The global online sports betting market is expected to grow into a $100 billion industry by 2025. And so, of course, do your own research, but this stock could very well be worth the gamble. To the expansion point, the US gambling industry won big at the polls recently with Maryland, South Dakota, and Louisiana all approving sports betting. By the end of next year, more than half of the US could have legal sports betting. This is huge. In August, Fans completed the acquisition of Ascot Entertainment and now have created one of Canada's largest online gaming companies. With FansUnite's strengths in traditional sports betting and Ascot's strengths in esports, the combined company now offers a fully integrated platform that can service every part of the iGaming market. Now, like CloudMD has done, Fans is accelerating growth through strategic acquisitions to build their ecosystem. Right now, Fans offers B2B and B2C services. In terms of B2B, Fans has two B2B brands, Chameleon and Ascot Games. Chameleon is a complete B2B sports and esports white label turnkey iGaming solution offering innovative and scalable technology to launch new sportsbooks. Ascot Games combines the popularity of casino-style RNG games with esports and video game themes. Now, in terms of B2C, Fans has 4 B2C platforms with over 300,000 registered users, which have generated over $350 million in betting volume since inception. The first one is McBookie.com. Now, McBookie is a provider of sports betting services focused on the Scottish market and has been operating for over a decade. The company also offers casino and virtual sports, which have experienced rapid growth due to the pandemic as new players joined to participate in the online offerings. Just a few weeks back, it was reported that McBookie recorded a 433% increase in revenue and a 713% increase in gross margin in October 2020 compared to October 2019. That's absolutely insane growth, and much of that growth was attributed to the unveiling of McBookie's live casino games, which was just introduced in September, and, of course, due to increased activity in sports betting as well. The second is the FansUnite Sportsbook. So this is actually Fans' own platform, their own IP. And what really stands out to me is the fact that it accepts crypto as payment and, more importantly, has smart contract capabilities, which is essentially an online escrow contract. So what that means is basically if a bettor wants to put $100 into Team A beating Team B, well now the $100 will go directly into that smart contract and the house, aka Fans, never has access to that money. They are not responsible for the payout. The smart contract will automatically execute based on whatever bet was wagered and the results of said bet. This is the first platform of its kind and offers transparency to all of its users. They also have the social platform, which is a free-to-play site that has over 30,000 registered members right now. The third and fourth are Esports Bets and Vamos GG. Esports Bets and its free-to-play counterpart Esports Pools are both using the Chameleon platform, and combined the sites have over 200,000 registered users in over 160 countries. VamosGG.com is a new esports betting site on the Chameleon platform, servicing the Latin American market. By the way, if we compare, say, PENN Gaming to Fans, right now, Fans is trading at 3 times revenues, whereas PENN, a stock market darling this year, is trading at 30 times revenues. Let that simmer a bit. Fans will be expanding its current line from 3 to 12 games and potentially hundreds of casinos. Now, with each game generating as much as $500,000 in revenue per month per online casino, this will add up very quickly. Even with a conservative $1 million per game, per casino, per year, this would still be a huge deal. The recently announced 430% increased betting volume for McBookie has got the stock back up in an upwards trend, it seems, and when the Ascot Games revenue starts coming in, I would really expect the stock to run up quite a bit from these levels. To recap, Fans is focused on global markets that will continue to open up and grow over time: sports betting, esports, and gaming. Right now, they're a small technology company looking to purchase assets like McBookie that are generating 7 figures of revenue. And to keep things simple, right now each aspect of the FansUnite ecosystem is revenue generating, and some are even cash flow positive. The games are out there and will continue to be released, and their B2C platforms are continuously growing. I think all of the selling pressure that has been going on with the stock is unwarranted and could be simply due to the fact that they completed a merger recently, and it's simply taken a while for investors to truly understand what's going on here. Fans is making betting cheaper, more secure, and transparent using the Ethereum blockchain, an emerging gambling company that just did an increase of 460% betting volume monthly on one of their products. With the illness not going away anytime soon, and with gambling becoming more and more accepted worldwide and in the US, this company seems like a great bet to grow. Still, not even close to trading at 52-week highs, Fans is undervalued and very attractive in terms of the risk-to-reward profile. So, am I buying this stock? Yes, I am. After researching Fans for a couple of days, I've actually decided to sell my FEAC shares and buy into Fans. I think they have more potential and are currently more undervalued. This is not a massive position for me, and of course, this does still remain a speculative investment. So please do not invest just because I am, and please do your own research. So that wraps it up for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that it gave you a good insight into a very interesting growth company. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this whole space and if you're invested into Fans. And guys, if this video brought you some value, then please smash that like button for me, as it really does help the channel a lot. And if you want more content like this, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell to be notified when any new video comes out. And of course, please feel free to join the Smart Money Squad Discord server. And until next time, take care and invest smart.